So in this video, we will learn how to share Mailchimp subscriber details to Mattermost. Now suppose guys, you are adding new subscribers to Mailchimp, and every time a new subscriber is added, you want to share the details of that new subscriber to your Mattermost channel as a new post or as a new message should I see. Now you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be addition of new subscriber in Mailchimp, and the action will be creation of post or creation of a message on our Mattermost channel. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to our browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. And after signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here you just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. After clicking on access now, we will reach to this Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Mailchimp to Mattermost. And then just click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is first, we have to get the details and the data of new subscribers which are adding in our Mailchimp account in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send that new subscriber details we will post that new subscriber details as a message on our Mattermost channel. So let's begin. So here in trigger window, first we have to select in choose app Mailchimp. Select Mailchimp. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, select new subscriber as a trigger event. Then after selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to make the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to do so, you can refer to the help text given below over here. So just copy this webhook URL from here, go to the dashboard of our Mailchimp account. So this is my dashboard. Then just go to audience section and go to sign up forms. After clicking on this sign up form section, just click on this settings option, and in the drop down below, at last you will see an option named as webhooks. Click on webhooks. And after that, you can see as of now, there is no webhook URL added in my Mailchimp account. Just click on this create new webhook button. And then here we have to add the webhook URL. So here in callback URL section, just paste the same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Then it is asking us what type of update should we send, what type of data we want Mailchimp to send to this webhook URL or to Pabbly Connect. So we want to get the details or the data of new subscribers only. So we will select subscribers and we will unselect all of these fields. Then it is asking us only send updates when a change is made by the subscriber or by an account admin or via API. So basically the changes or the new subscriber which are adding, either the user or the subscriber is filling up the form themselves or the admin of your Mailchimp account or you yourself make the changes or add the subscriber. We want the data only in these two conditions. If we are adding subscribers from some other sources using the API, if you want to get that data, add those customer or share those details of the subscriber as well, then select this. So right now I will just select these of two and just click on save. And yes, now we can see that our webhook URL is now successfully placed in Mailchimp account. This means our Mailchimp account is now successfully gets connected with Pabbly Connect. Now every time a new subscriber will be created in Mailchimp, the details or the data of that same subscriber will be captured in Pabbly Connect as well. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do the same. We are going to create a dummy subscriber in our Mailchimp account. Just click on this recapture webhook button. And now it is changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the details of a new subscriber from Mailchimp. So we will go to a Mailchimp account and after that we will go to this sign up form section. Now here you can see all the options. So just click on this form builder, select it. and select a sign up form which you have created. So this is the sign up form which I have created. Let's copy the URL of this form, go to a new tab and paste it over here. And we will see that our sign up form opens up over here. Now, as this form is embedded, for example, suppose this form is added or embedded in my website. So the users can enter their details and submit the form, and that user will be added as a subscriber in my Mailchimp account. So let's enter the details of a dummy subscriber. So let me enter the details of a user. For example, this is the name, dummy name. Let's enter a dummy email address as well and a dummy mobile number with country code and plus sign. So guys, these are the details of a dummy user. So this is the name of the person, dummy name. This is the email address and mobile number. Let's click on subscribe and we will see this person will be added as a new subscriber in our Mailchimp account. And the addition is done. The person who has submitted the form, whose details we have entered while submitting the form, is now added in our Mailchimp account as a subscriber. Let's go to a Mailchimp account, go to contact section, manage contacts, view contacts. And yes, we can see the same user over here as well. Now guys, we will see that because we have connected Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect using the webhook URL, as this person is added as a subscriber in Mailchimp, instantly, automatically the details of the same person will also be captured in Pabbly Connect. And yes, here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we can see we have received some response from Mailchimp. And in this response, we will see the details of the same subscriber. We have the same name, dummy name, same email address and same phone number which the user has entered while submitting the form or which the new subscriber added in our Mailchimp account has. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now, every time a new subscriber is added in Mailchimp, we will get the details of that subscriber in Pabbly Connect. Now, what we want to do? We want to share the details of these new subscribers as a message, as a new post in our Mattermost channel. Now, to do so, we will just scroll down and come to our action window over here. And here in Choose App, we will search for Mattermost. Select Mattermost here. And after that, in Action Event from the drop down, we have to select Create a Post. Click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, to send this message or to create this post, we have to basically connect our Mattermost account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, it requires the token, the API token from our Mattermost account and also the URL of my Mattermost account. Now let's first focus on the token. How we can get the API token of our Mattermost account. So basically what you can do, you can refer to the help text given below in this video if you have any doubt. So now to get the details, the API token of our Mattermost account, we'll go to our Mattermost account. This is my account's dashboard. And after that, on the left side, you can see this grid option over here. Just click on it. And from the drop down below, click on System Console. Then after reaching to the System Console page, just scroll down and you will find an option named as Integration Management. Just click on it. And at this page, at last, you will find an option named as Enable Personal Access Token. Just select True over here. By default, it is on false. Just select True over here. If you already have True right here, just ignore it and click on Save. After that, just click on this Back to Main. And on the right side here at this dashboard page, we have the Profiles option. Just click on it and select the Profiles option over here. Then click on Security. And at last, you can see an option named as Personal Access Token over here. Just click on Edit and click on Create Token. For example, now just give this token a name. So I'll name it as Pabbly and click on Save. Yes, Create. And that is it. Our API token, access token is now generated. Just copy this token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And that is it. Then it is asking us the Mattermost URL. So here we have to enter the URL of our Mattermost account. How we are going to get it? It is very simple. Just get back to our Mattermost account. Yes, I have copied the API token and then just copy this URL before .com. So from https to .com mattermost.com, just copy this URL, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just remove this slash from the last and click on Save. Now we can see that our Mattermost account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the team. So in the drop down below, you will find a list of all the teams which you have created in your Mattermost account. As of now, I have only one team in my Mattermost account, that is PabCon1. So I will select this team. Then it is asking us for the channel, that on what channel we want to create this post or send this message or the details of a new subscriber. So in the drop down, you can see a list of all the channels which I have created in my Mattermost account. Here we have the channel and here we have the list. And out of all of these channels, the Mailchimp subscribers, this channel, I want to send the details of new subscribers on this channel. So I will select this channel. Then it is asking us for the message, that what is the message we want to post. So I want the message to be, hello team, we have a new subscriber in Mailchimp. So this is the kind of message which I want to send with the subscriber details. So we have a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Let's enter the details of the subscriber, name, email, mobile number. Okay, so these are some basic details. So guys, here in this message, I want to say, hello team, we have a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Like the name, then we will be adding the name of the new subscriber, then the email address and the mobile number. So how we will add the name of a new subscriber over here in front of this. So what we have to do, we just have to click here, and in the drop down below, we will see all the responses which we have received from Mailchimp of a new subscriber can be seen over here. So we have the first name, last name, email and mobile number of the subscriber. So from these responses, we have to basically map this response over here. Just select the response of first name first and it is mapped over here. Then just give a space and from the drop down once again select the last name over here. So in this way, the responses which we have received from Mailchimp in our trigger window response, we have basically mapped that same response, same data over here. After mapping the name, let's map the email address and the process remains the same. Just click on this and from the drop down below, just select the response of email and it is mapped. And at last, just follow the same process to map the mobile number. And that is it. This is the total message which I want to send on my Mattermost channel to my team. After creating your message and mapping all the required data you want, it is asking us root post ID and file ID. So basically, if you want to replying to some post, you just have to mention the root post ID. But we are not replying, we are sharing a fresh message. So that is it. We are ignoring this field. And we are also not sending some kind of file with this message. So that is why we are also ignoring file ID field over here. After this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here is now shared on our Mattermost channel, is now created as a new post on our Mattermost channel. So let's see. We'll go to Mattermost. And yes guys, here you can see that the same message which we have created is here with the same details of the new subscriber in our Mailchimp account. Hello team, we have a new subscriber in Mailchimp, name, dummy name, the same email address and same mobile number. This means guys, the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now every time a new subscriber will be added or created in our Mailchimp account, the details of that new subscriber will be shared on our Mattermost channel with our team members as a new post. After setting up this automation guys, let's test this automation once in real time. And to test it, what we are going to do, we are going to share or create another subscriber over here. So just refresh this form. Let me see. Okay, so this is the form. Let's clear out this form and let's enter the details of a new user. For example, test name. This is the name of the new person. Let's enter the email address. And a dummy mobile number once again with country code. And after adding all of these details, just click on subscribe. And just now we have added a new subscriber in our Mailchimp account. We'll go to Mailchimp, refresh our contacts page, and we will see this new subscriber whose details we have added in form as a new subscriber in Mailchimp. So this is it. And because we have created this automation, instantly, automatically, the details of the same subscriber will be shared on our Mattermost channel as well. And yes, hello team, we have a new subscriber in Mailchimp. This is the same name, same email and same mobile number. This means guys, the automation which we have created in this video is working absolutely fine. Now guys, after creating this automation and testing it, let's get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow in Pabbly Connect. And in this workflow, we have selected Mailchimp as a trigger application and new subscriber as a trigger event. After that, we have connected Mailchimp with Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL and then received or collected the data of new subscriber adding in our Mailchimp account in Pabbly Connect. After that, we have sent that same data of a new subscriber to Mattermost so that we can create a post. We can share that new subscriber details as a message on our Mattermost channel. So not just these applications guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also guys, Pabbly Connect comes with a forever free plan. And in this plan, you will get 100 free tasks on your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.